so cute. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah. See, I can't get a picture because the picture is not in face. I like how I got a circle face. You look so uninterested. This is a live Facebook post. Like, babe, this is so us. Him. He's so cute.
Welcome to another video. We got the below sauce, we got the potato, we got the sausage, we got the corn, the fork corn, and we got the egg.
Oh yeah.
So let's go eat.
Let's eat.
Come on, let's eat.
Go ahead, y'all. I'm beginning the video, Nikki. Go ahead.
Wait,
It's okay for you, if y'all, if it's just y'all.
I'm gonna have to get some plates because she's gonna make a mess.
I am not.
You is. Let me get you a plate.
Y'all get a lot of this on the YouTube channel. I'm gonna edit this and put this on the egg.
We gotta get some plates. Look at my head, look like he's sweating. We got sausage.
An egg.
Y'all like sausage?
So I'm gonna do the.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Stop, y'all. It's making me laugh. We got eggs.
BY fam, this is Niece
Corn.
MUKBANG. Y'all met them on the Christmas vlog. My
Look,
dad's
y'all
over here too.
Mm.
My dad's here too, but he's not on camera.
Yeah, y'all gotta dip the corn in the sauce.
We need to be closer to y'all.
Yeah, bring it.
Oh,
Which might call an experiential overlap.
It's so good, so you got this.
Black talk about, is it gonna be enough for me? I'm like,
Oh yeah, I'm gonna say this. The egg is the best in the sauce, y'all.
And the.
Smuggy. You like the sausage in the sauce?
Mm-hmm. I just like the sausage dipped in the beloved sauce.
My whole life.
It's kind of good though. But the beloved sauce.
You're making a
is very
mess.
hot.
But it's so good. Gotta save my son-in-law son. But it's a lot of sauce.
Uh-huh. And it's so good.
I swear to God, it's good. It's banging.
yeah, that could be interesting, but this y'all.
It's great.
Ever since my
Yeah, it's real good.
It's real hot.
actually just
It ain't that spicy, is it? What child?
No, the sausage made
You put a lot of brown sugar. She put a lot of brown sugar.
No, you poured it.
I came to
I
realize
hope it don't turn my stomach up.
it's that fear.
It will.
That's the worst of it. That's the real.
I
You want me to put you some sauce on the side?
No.
You just gonna keep dipping like that?
Yeah.
Okay. It is spicy.
Yeah.
Ooh, wee, it's spicy, y'all. But it's good. Yeah, try it.
It's spicy. Is it hot?
You ain't get no stuff on it. You gotta get some
No, let me get a plate.
garlic and
No, you got onions in there.
it's good though.
Gonna rip the
Yeah,
Dip the egg. Egg to the beloved sauce.
So good.
It's so good.
it don't taste spicy.
It's the opposite.
All that stuff at the bottom.
Girl, get you some. It's good though.
Yeah, it's good.
Look, oh yeah, bring that. Show them up. Come on. I'm show them the stuff. Look at that. That's what you call beloved.
Look at that. Hold up.
You dripping.
Look at that.
That's good.
Oh yeah, it is after.
We told you after effect.
Oh my gosh, that's spicy. I'm in the corner of the mukbang, y'all. I just came in.
He's probably still in the sack.
I'm gonna record y'all.
Sleep after one day.
Look at our hands.
Such a hard on.
Messy.
That's mukbang though.
You're his boss.
Do you think we love clean that stuff? No. This
Oh,
is
the
no
no
drip
wipe
challenge. No wipe challenge.
No white
My
channel.
hands are really
Dirty.
dang.
I just like to be allowed sauce.
Why you don't take your plate over there?
Yeah, like this.
Come on. You see, Badger?
Yeah, I ain't gonna be able to eat that much.
I'm gonna eat that much.
Look at that. Ooh, wing. You gotta get you some garlic, some ginger.
Okay.
You taste that brown sugar in it?
We made lasagna too.
Yeah, y'all can eat some. You know, he don't do the mukbangs. My husband don't like this. And so I had to cook him lasagna.
Getting sauce, eggs, corn,
Sausage, potatoes.
sausage, potatoes. Oh, shit.
So fucking good.
As a struggle actor, I need all the breaks that I can get.
She's a natural
I
guy.
swear. You wanna do this? Y'all see this little potato?
Grandma is so happy to do the mukbang today.
Yes, I am.
And I am so really excited because my aunt came and I'm so happy to do the mukbang. So I never did it before, but
Damn,
I'm
you
doing it.
not tasting that?
Gabby don't do that.
What?
She like you.
I can't believe that. What?
Hold on. Try not to block you, Niece Poo.
Well,
This
it's
program
okay.
is
You can bop me.
Tell my subscribers how old you are, what grade you in.
That's what my
We're not gonna put it right
subscribers. Guess how old I am. My birthday just came up and I'm 7 years old. And the grade I am is I'm first grade and I'm about to be in second grade. So
Yeah.
I hope you comment down
Very
below.
smart.
And I am so smart in my class and I am
What you
so...
want them to comment down below?
Comment down below and
If
watch
y'all like mukbangs
if y'all like mukbangs.
on my daughter's channel, cause I will do them.
Yeah, if y'all, you need to see all of our channels. If we make all mukbang channels, you have to come see it.
Right.
So comment down below.
And I'm eating like a
Hit that
hog
bell.
over here. It's so good, guys. It is. I'm making a mess.
No, you're making that.
No drip sandwich though. I'm gonna have to cook black some more sausage.
You don't do lasagna.
Sausage. Oh
Y'all some more sausage.
shit. Baby, stop. You nasty.
That's all my family.
Y'all crazy, man.
Mr. Mo say he don't do lasagna.
You see that sausage in my hand?
They see it.
That's sausage. Sausage. Like sausage.
I'm gonna have to get a spoon.
No.
I should have went live on We Love channel. Really? Gab, Smuggy.
Excuse me. I'm sorry, guys. I burped because it'll obviously.
Okay.
Stop burping, Papa.
I'm sorry. Excuse me.
It's hot. Spicy.
We're gonna have to save this.
Potatoes? What? Egg? Of course I reuse all my bowls. Look, this is a butter bowl, guys. What I got?
But she got
Full of potatoes.
full of potato. Like potato head.
And the cool bowl is full of beloved sauce.
Look at the corn. You don't see me.
I did my beloved sauce homemade too, guys.
See that corn?
The old fashioned way.
Yeah, the old fashioned way.
With all the seasonings and the ginger and the... Good night. Okay, I'm gonna have to get a napkin.
Okay, napkin. I'll be right back. I'm
Onions,
giving my
yeah.
grandma a napkin. Give it another one.
Onions, garlic. What else I use? Ginger and all the spices that you need. Thank you, baby.
Yeah. I am so sweet because my grandma, I always like to take care of her and do all that thing.
She really do, guys.
So when she get really old, I'm gonna push her in a walking chair. And
She gonna push me. How you know I'm gonna be in the walker? I might still be walking.
All y'all look alike.
Jesus. Hey, don't wish me in no wheelchair.
Look alike.
I'm gonna still be walking, guys. I'm only 44.
me a lasagna.
Look at that lasagna. Get your piece of garlic bread. I made it.
Oh, look at it.
Ooh,
That look
excuse me.
good.
I did that.
Ooh, that looks
Yeah, homemade garlic bread, yeah.
Yeah, Baba, look at it going.
I see the corn.
That corn ain't feeling the tan.
You keep dipping the corn in this sauce.
There she go with the sauce again, guys. That sauce banging.
I got the bitter sauce on the.
Man, you gotta cook black some more sauce.
Yeah, I do.
No, we're not going. You see black, wave at your hand say, what's up? That just go.
Okay, guys, this is
Get
about
it.
done. I'm getting a full one.
Me too.
It's right there.
Come on, we hope if we have subscribers.
Mm-hmm.
And in the morning,
Make sure y'all hit the like button, please.
and I hope you please just
Comment, share, and subscribe to my baby channel. Her boo boo. I will be having my own YouTube later on, cooking
What's
and stuff.
the boo boo mean?
Baby.
Oh my god.
Her fiance.
Baby.
I just like to dip this corn. I didn't taste it, but I'm gonna taste it again. Good, this
Go
corn
ahead.
is so good.
You're not eating the sausage. Give me that. I stole your sausage.
My grandma sold my sausage.
It's good. Look at that. I'm going to show y'all up close. Look at this.
That beloved sauce look like it has some.
Ooh.
I am getting so tired.
All right, what's in it?
Excuse me. I keep burning. Excuse me.
So good.
Oh, that sounded good. After this, I'm eating the lasagna.
She want lasagna too, guys. She can have it though.
But that's okay, because my grandma always think I want lasagna. So I get the lasagna.
You want some now?
Yeah. So I'm almost done. I'm already done with my corn. And I don't want this potato.
Why? Give me here.
And
We don't waste food around here. No, ma'am.
throw the corn in drag.
No, you gotta eat all that corn.
No people.
The potato's the best part.
You know I'm acting like a squirrel.
Hmm?
I'm like
That's chipmunk.
I'm acting like a chipmunk.
Mm-hmm.
I'd be like
It's
look,
so good. I'm getting full, guys.
you better eat it all.
It's good.
Do you
I
see
ain't
I'm acting
tasted
like a chipmunk?
It's spicy.
I tell
How can you
you,
stand it?
because I told you it was gonna be spicy.
Dang, don't throw corn at me. Still flicking
Because I
corn.
told you that the corn, the beetroot sauce gonna be spicy.
I didn't mean to pour all the red flakes in it. It just, I was trying to do a
And she put so much
red flakes, the pepper.
brown sugar.
Oh, the brown sugar did spill, but it was good. It's still good with a lot of brown sugar. Beloved didn't use a lot of brown sugar. She just wanted to make it a little sweet. So we just did a copy of her old sauce. Not the one with the crab shit in. We don't eat seafood around here.
We do. We do.
Her mama do,
No.
but I don't.
Let me tell you the real truth of this.
We don't eat seafood.
Well, we gonna try to eat that seafood now.
That was nasty with your mouth open like that. You know that, right?
We're gonna
Say
try to
sorry,
eat.
guys.
Sorry, guys.
All right, now sit down.
We are gonna try to eat the seafood now.
We're not gonna do seafood. You see, I only got potatoes, corn, sausage, and
And you're
eggs.
gonna make it. Dang.
But
Who car is that?
I'm gonna take some sauce to my daughter in the morning so she can do her little crab legs with it.
Well, I'm going home tomorrow, guys.
You can do it with your mom.
I know she don't want to. And guess what? I think tomorrow we're gonna do the hot noodle.
Oh yeah, guys, we're supposed to do the hot noodle challenge with her because I don't think she can eat the whole thing.
Yes,
I can.
Yes, I can.
Sounds spicy.
I got it.
Look, you want to see the pack? Guys, let me show you
She
the
gonna
pack.
show y'all. Slow down. Okay. Let me see it.
No, I got it.
That's 2 times spicy.
It's a surprise, guys.
Back
This-
up some.
This is the hot noodle.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
And we're gonna do it tomorrow.
All right. Yeah, okay. Okay, guys, it's about time for me to be done. I'm done.
She's done, and I gotta eat my sausage right quick, and then I'm.
You still eating.
It's
You
desire time.
You too extra.
Okay.
Talking about lasagna time. You gonna
Yeah,
eat that?
yeah.
Okay.
Just dip it in sauce.
Okay,
Sorry,
guys.
guys. I'm not done,
She's not done.
but I can still be on the view.
They call
Yeah,
this
go ahead.
mukbang.
Yeah, we're doing a mukbang. That means eating a lot of food together. That's what it means in Japanese.
It's like
Mukbang.
crazy as hell.
Means eating a lot of food together.
And
let
dipping
people-
it in sauce.
No, that's beloved.
But bang on the game.
Mukbang is different, but beloved
Oh,
sauce.
God.
Yeah. Beloved made this different sauce, the best
So
sauce
it's two
ever.
different things.
Yeah.
Okay, got you. Got you.
So good, right? You didn't have to. Guys, she's showing out now, I tell you. You need to wash clothes?
Be back, guys.
I know too. So, look at all that sauce we got for Black when he come.
You know his daughter died too?
She was in the. Oh, I'm sorry. Did y'all know Kobe Bryant died today? Oh my God, it's so sad. And his
Yeah,
daughter was
yeah.
with him. This is sad,
Yeah,
guys.
that's a true
We
legend.
need to pray for him.
Yeah, that's a true legend.
Yeah,
Let's
me
have
and
a
Justin
silence
did
of
that.
prayer.
Yeah, me and Justin did a moment of
true
silence
legend.
on our other
True
video.
legend. For real.
Bless his family, God.
Right.
God bless. That is sad, yo.
Our
I'm so
condolences go
sad.
out to his family.
Family, everybody that was in that
Yeah.
plane, bless God, bless their
True
family.
legend.
His daughter was with him. Oh my God. I wonder if that was the one that played basketball. Or it was the baby girl. You know he had what, 4? He had 4.
Baby. Died in the helicopter. And they don't know how many people was
Gabby
there.
just seen it was the baby girl.
Nah.
Oh.
I hope not.
It was one of his daughters. That's all we know
I
for
am
now, guys.
finished, guys.
Nah, we don't know that. We can't confirm if his daughter was with him. We can't confirm that.
Gabby, so you don't know?
Don't confirm that online.
We ain't, it's not live. Are we live?
Look at this
Online.
plate. I am
Oh.
finished
I'm
done.
saying
No, we
online.
don't know, guys. I'm sorry.
We know
But I'm
he
hoping,
died.
I'm hoping none of the kids was with him. But that's
Yeah.
really sad that he, you know, passed away. That's really sad. Dang, that's unbelievable. Are you done? You want lasagna now? She want lasagna.
I like when your plate empty. Thank you. Thank you, Slim.
So I hope we're gonna look and see how much reviews we got.
No.
I have to edit it first and then put it up there. Why you so close to the camera?
Mama called. Oh, you got my phone on vibrate. Okay, we're done. You gonna let her do the lasagna?
What you want to do, a solo mukbang?
She wanna eat lasagna, guys.
That'll be
So-
separate.
Oh, you cut it off?
No, not yet. I didn't cut it off.
Oh.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And I'm about to stop this and do another one. She want to do one by herself.
One by herself. Thank y'all
Say
guys
peace
for
out.
watching. See you next time.
Put your hand on the camera. Close out.
Oh.